During installation of the Emerson Ashland ceiling fan, you will need the following tools: Phillips screwdriver, 1/4-inch blade screwdriver, pliers, wire strippers, and a ladder that will allow you to reach the ceiling. All other parts you'll need you can find in the fan box. Refer to your owner's manual for complete step-by-step instructions. When assembling the fan, you may use the packaging as a base to rest the fan on. This will prevent accidental scratching. For standard installation with a hanger ball and downrod, complete the hanger ball downrod assembly in step 1. For close to the ceiling installation, please refer to your owner's manual for step-by-step instructions. Remove the hanger ball from the supplied downrod by loosening the set screw and removing the pin. Feed the wire through the downrod and loosen the set screw in the motor coupler enough to set the downrod into place. Rotate and align the downrod holes with the holes in the motor coupler. Insert the supplied clevis pin through the motor coupling and hole in the downrod and out the other side. Secure it with the hairpin clip. Next, tighten the set screws. Slide the motor coupling cover through the wires and over the downrod. Then slide the ceiling cover through the wires. Next, reattach the hanger ball, insert the pin, and tighten the set screw. Align the hanger ball so the pin is captured in the groove at the top of the hanger ball. Once the hanger ball and downrod are assembled, give yourself about 6 to 9 inches of wire to work with. You can then cut and discard the rest. Carefully strip the lead wires of insulation approximately a 1/2 inch from the end to prepare them for wiring. Turn the fan housing over and place the fan motor assembly on top of the foam pads, with the upper motor cover supporting the weight of the motor. Remove and discard the shipping spacers attached to the motor assembly. Mount the first fan blade to a flange using the 3 provided washer head screws and flat washers to secure the assembly. Repeat this step for the remaining 4 blades and flanges. Loosely attach 1 blade flange assembly to the motor hub by securing it with 2 oval head screws. Install the remaining blade assemblies in the same manner, gently securing them to the motor hub in a clockwise sequence. The blade flanges have an interlocking feature that must be fully engaged before tightening the screw. Now go turn off the power to the junction box. If you are changing from a light fixture to a ceiling fan, make sure the junction box is ceiling fan rated. If it is not, you will need to replace the box with one that is ceiling fan rated. Install the hanger bracket to the junction box and tighten the screws firmly. Next, carefully lift the fan and seat the hanger ball of the fan into the hanger bracket. There is a groove on the ball which will align with a tab on the hanger bracket. Rotate the fan assembly until the ball nests into this groove. Remember, if you are not comfortable with wiring or working with electricity, please contact a licensed electrician. Connect the wires using the supplied wire connectors: black to black, white to white, and green to green, or green to copper. All wiring must be in accordance with the current national and local electric codes. Use the National Electrical Code if local codes do not exist. The ceiling fan must be grounded as a precaution against possible electrical shock. Electrical installation should be performed or approved by a licensed electrician. Once the wiring is completed, gently turn the connected wire leads upward and carefully push them into the outlet box. Lift the ceiling cover up to the hanger bracket. Engage the slots in the ceiling cover with the loosened screws in the bracket and turn the cover clockwise. Be sure that the lock washers are between the screw heads and the ceiling cover. Install the other 2 screws and lock washers and tighten all screws securely. Remove the plastic plug from the switch housing, using a screwdriver to push the plug from the switch housing hole. Next, insert the light fitter white and black and white striped wire connectors through the center hole in the switch housing. Install the split lock washer and hex jam nut onto the light fitter switch housing assembly and tighten securely. Engage the harness white wire connector with the light fitter white wire connector until you hear a snap indicating that the connection is secure. Engage the color-coded 9-pin connector of the light kit assembly with the 9-pin motor connector, ensuring that they fully mate. Align the light kit assembly holes with the switch housing plate holes. Carefully tuck all the wires and connectors into the switch cup housing. Secure the light kit assembly by reinstalling the 3 previously removed screws. Screw the 3 provided CFL bulbs into the light kit assembly sockets. Position the 2 pull chains through the center of the glass shade. Slide up the light fixture bowl cap and tighten down with the provided nut. Feed the pull chains through the wooden fobs. Go turn the power back on, and you can begin to enjoy your new Emerson Ashland ceiling fan. Share pictures of your handiwork on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram using the hashtag #MyEmersonFan.